the fuck? No!
Come on now, dog.
Alright guys, so am I pretty? Am I a pretty girl?
Nigga, you gay.
Ignore that. We swapping intakes right now. I got a quote for 200, and then I hit up my other guy, and I also got a quote for 200. Then I seen a YouTube video, and I was like, oh hell nah, these niggas taxing. I'm finna do it myself. And I'm almost done, honestly. I did all the hard part. So basically, took this stock one off, took the grill out, did this, took this side out. Bruh, it took me literally less than 30 minutes to do all of this, bro. And then this is gonna be even easier because this is the only thing left. I took the screws out here on that side as well. Gave me enough room to finagle and finagle. That's even a word. But this gonna be whistling, this gonna be muffled, and yeah, goddamn, put this shit together. So shit, let's do it, nigga. Alright guys, so M8 is all done, bruh. Stock intakes on. Then this is the miscellaneous stuff. Stock intakes on. I haven't had a chance to cut it on yet. Check if I got any codes or anything, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Now we gotta focus on everything's done up perfect, by the way. Now we gotta focus on the M5. So this should be easy, considering that I just went through hell to take it off, and now I know how to get it on a little easier than taking it off. Yeah, man, we finna put these intakes on, so let's do it.
1 hour later.
Oh, yeah, boys. Look like my job is complete. Stock. Project Gamble. Stock. Now I'm finna close the, I'm finna close up the hood. Take them on the drive, make sure I ain't got no codes or nothing like that. I think the key was under there. I hope not. Nope, we good. Yep, finna take them on the drive. Down the street. What the fuck is going on with this? Did I close something under there? Let's see what the fuck. Oh yeah, baby. So yeah, we finna go on this little drive, man. I'm gonna make sure, like I said, we ain't got no codes or nothing. All right, so let's see if we got any codes. Fuck. All right, so far so good. I ain't gonna lie, everything look good so far. Before I pull it off, I had the hood wouldn't close. And I was like, but the hood is closed, but I forgot one screw, so I screwed it back in, and it fixed it. So, hell yeah, this shit is smooth. I ain't gonna lie. Stock intakes back on, bro. But I'm finna put the camera there. I gotta listen to it real quick, make sure, double, triple check, make sure, goddamn, I don't hear nothing crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to where I gotta go. No cap. All right, y'all boys. So, no code, everything clear. Sounds good. No weird noises. I ain't gonna lie, I did that. I did that. But it was at a cost. It definitely was at a cost. No fucking lie. Hey, look at that M8, bro. That shit looks so damn good. Damn, bro. That shit was crazy. Alright, y'all boys, so now I just got back to the spot, and I ain't gonna lie, my energy was a little dead. I apologize, but I really need something to drink, so I got this big ass gulp drink from Wawa, and I feel a lot more like myself. So sorry if I was dry. But man, we finna hop in the F5 and finally get to hear that bitch whine. Did I say whine? I meant, so we gonna go hop in the F5 and we gonna finally get to hear that bitch whistle. Ooh, that's what I'm excited for, man. So this is about to be my first time hearing the intakes on the M5, bro. Y'all ready? What the fuck? I don't know if the camera picking that shit up. What the fuck? That shit sounds crazy. Bro, do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that, motherfucker? Nah, this shit sounds insane. This shit sounds crazy. Bro. Yes, sir, gang. He fuck with the M5. Oh! Bro, this car sounds crazy. It's even better because the M8 didn't pop like this. The M8 didn't pop at all. Let me see what my boy back here talking about, bro. Oh, the Harley boy's out. The weather is good. I'm fucking with my dog. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up. Yeah. What the fuck? This shit sounds crazy with the turbos on here, bro. Oh my God. Oh, he pulling back up. What the fuck? Nah, this shit sound good as hell. Huh? I bet. I got you. Appreciate you. Bet, hit me, hit me, hit me. Damn. Nah, these turbos is crazy. Y'all, this shit sounds crazy. With the pops too. Oh my God, we got something on our hands. We got something on our hands. Ah, these turbos, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah, so I ain't gonna lie, man, I just made it back to the crib, and after all that hard work, I need a nap, bro. I need a nap and I need a shower, and then I need a nap. But trust me, we're gonna get a little POV drive with the intakes all whistling. I'm gonna put like a microphone close to the intake so y'all gonna be able to hear that real good and whatever the case may be, man. And yeah, it's gonna be lit. So stay tuned, man. No cap.